candle day. It's, look at the time, y'all. 4:33 a.m. 4:33 a.m. And I actually gotta go. But as y'all see, the windshield is frosted up. So I'm kind of waiting till that get done, which it shouldn't take that long. But I'm actually going to a different Bath and Body Works this time, because they actually open at 5 and it's probably about 25 minutes away. So I really got to be going. Man, I'm just hoping don't nobody know. Wishful thinking. I bet you everybody know. But I want to get in, get out, get what I need to get, and keep it moving. What I should have done, and I guess I still could do it, is write my list down, so I don't have to really hold my phone like that. That's what I should have did. I wasn't even thinking about that until just now. We're holding those trays and holding those trays, trying to pick candles and do my phone. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yes, you know, some stores in, y'all probably can't even hear. Hopefully y'all can. But some stores in other states opened up at 1 a.m. Super early. Super early. Okay, I'm gonna put the candles I really want. Oh man, my pen ain't working, really? Come on. Work with me. I probably should head over there and then do it once I get over there, but oh, come on, pen. This ink pen ain't working either. What in the world? What is going on? But then again, it is cold outside. That's probably why none of them's working. They all frozen. Bummer. Whatever. Guess that plan didn't work. And I don't have a pencil in here. Shoots. Whatever. We're gonna head out. Look like the windshield the windshield is cleared up. So I'm gonna head out and get over here, then I come back up. Okay, I'm here. And of course I'm late. People already walking out. So it is what it is. Like I said, I came to a whole different one. So let me get in here. I come back in here. It's crazy. And I actually need to be getting in the line, but of course I haven't yet. The line is out the store. This is crazy, y'all. Kind of wish I would have brought Damon or Damani now, because I got like 3 and 6 could fit in each trays. So this is basically 20. I gotta get in line. I gotta figure my free item out. This smells just like it. Extremely long. As y'all see, it's out the door. Wow, I probably should have went to the Galleria. I don't remember it being like this last year. Of course, I accidentally broke one candle. It just, but they were really nice about it. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna be in this line for a good 30 minutes probably. So, we shall see. Now, I turned my candles upside down, and I asked one of the sales associates, was it okay to do that? Of course, she said yeah. Now, another one comes up to me and say, turn them back the other way. Now, I turned one tray the opposite way, but I'm not going to do the other one. They're going to do that at the front. I'm good. Next year, back to my regular store. I'm still in this line, y'all. 20, let me see what time is it. Damn, 30 minutes. Been in this line for 30 minutes. Okay, almost. Ooh. Probably another 10 minutes, I'll be up there. Finally at the register. Okay, yeah, I'm finally out of that long line. Finally out the long line. Goodness gracious. And as y'all see, the line is still super, super long. I'm gonna head home. What time is it? 6:13. So I actually been here for about an hour. I'm gonna head home. It's hot as hell. And I'll show y'all what I got when I get home. These are the 2 bags. I actually did 20 candles and these little soap dispenser things, which is really cute. I still have one more 20% coupon, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. I think I'm gonna use that on the if it lasts, the senior annual sale maybe. But I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, y'all, this is the candles that I got. I ended up getting 20 candles, and as y'all see, hopefully it's not coming in dark. I got fireside, and I got 4 of those. I got marshmallow campfire. No. Marshmallow fireside, and I actually got 4 of those, and I was not meaning to buy 4. I only wanted to buy 2, so I tripped right there. And then actually another thing that I messed up on, I prefer the Bath and Body Works candles over the White Barn candles. I think the White Barn candles is a little bit more fancier, as you see the difference in some of them. But some of the White Barn candles don't be as strong. I don't know. Then I bought 2 of the mahogany tiki wood, one of my favorites. This is a new candle for me, Into the Night. This is new. I don't know if, I think it's new for this year. And if you can see the notes, raspberry, rose, amber, and musk. And of course, essential oils being all of them. Then this is a new candle for me as well. I got the gingham candle. This is actually new for Bath and Body Works. I have the lotion, and I believe I have the body spray, I think. Yeah. Then 'Tis the Season, which is a new candle for me. Mary Cookie. This one smells so good. It literally smells like cookies. This one is nice, but I don't really like a whole lot of food scented candles, so that's the reason why I only got 1. And this is supposed to be a really popular one. This sugared blueberry donut. It's supposed to be super popular. And I really don't like peaches, but I got it. Somebody recommended this peach Bellini, so I decided to grab 1. And this one smells really good. This white birch citrus. It smells good, but now that I got it home, it's a very, very light scent. So I might take this one back. And then with my free stuff, I got those. I actually got 3 of them. I actually had 4, but the 4th one looked a little different. Those cute. And let me show you what goes in them. And you just put in just like that. How cute is that? I started to get the candle holders, but I got tons of those candle holders. So I just decided to get that. That is super cute. And then I had 4 coupons for a free item. I did 4 transactions, And like I said, free item came in each transaction. And my last thing was these little socks. I thought these socks were so cute. Those are so cute. I'm holding the camera and I'm shaking it. And then it has those little grip things at the bottom. These socks are so cute. And they super, super soft. So yeah, that's everything I got. And it was a mad house, as y'all seen. Yeah, that's everything. I also gave these coupons with every transaction you did. And this is from the 20th to the 24th. You could get a free gift with any $10 purchase up to $16.50, which is really good. And I think these coupons will be inside of the grace period where I think the annual sale starts December 27th, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I think these coupons will fall right in that the grace period of that. So I thought that was pretty good that they gave us that. So these are I didn't use the 20% coupon that I got. And it also has a free body care item with that one, along with the 20%. Like I said, all of these will fall in that the annual sale, hopefully. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully these will be like within the grace period of the semi-annual sale. I actually don't know how I want to use these, because really this coupon really isn't real good. $8. Most of the time this stuff goes on sale. You could get this stuff way cheaper than $8. So I don't know how I'm going to use those coupons, or if I'm going to use them. So I don't know. I'm going to just hold on to them. You never know. They don't expire to the 24th. So yeah, excited for this. Wish I could have got some more, but oh well. Not to mention these little cute little reusable bags that they gave free. With every 2 trays, you got one of these bags free. I thought that was really nice. And they really good quality. Last year, they were charging for these bags. I don't know how much because I didn't buy them. But yeah, these bags is really nice. And I got 2. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave comments.